Action! Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel.
Yanzu ina miki zamu je?
Zamu je park.
Park.
Me park da Hausa?
Wurin lilo.
Wurin nishadi.
Mushati.
Wurin huta. I don't know, bro.
What is mushata? Please explain to me mushati wa.
I don't know actually like direct translation.
Wow.
Na san mutane na using
Da mutane na faɗa wai sai kima ɗin ki faɗa. Sai dai ce maybe it sounds like mushati, like you're having fun, like
nishadi.
Nishadi.
Mushadi.
It sounds like an Arabic word.
Okay. Just blur my face out the whole time.
I probably will. It's like it's moving.
Dude, I'm looking for a garbage can.
There's garbage can right there.
Like,
iya mana su su ganki ne su harbe ki. Wallahi baki sani.
Ba ta jin magana.
Kika bata.
Ke ina waya ta fashion ina aljihuna.
To yau maganin da zamu yi muka ce to zamu fito don ku ga garin da muke. Gane? Don
kullum muna zaune a cikin ɗaki muna yin YouTube videos din muka ce bari mu dan nuna muku Amurka. So
my hand is getting so tired.
Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome back to our Welcome back to our channel. Today we're outside. It's a beautiful day, but it looks like it's about to rain. But it's still nice outside. The summer times here in America. But anyway, so today we are going to do. Actually, before all that, we want to thank everybody that subscribed to our channel, that liked our channel, and recently we haven't been very active, but we want to continue to get more videos, and we're trying to like do it every single week, and we're trying to change our channel like name kind of try different things with the channel because we're not sure what the audience wants yet. We know that you guys are very supportive in the comments and telling us, oh, you know, we should keep going with the Hausa, but we do want to try a lot of different things. So yeah, that's for the future. But so in this particular video we are going to kind of do a get to know us better. I feel like we didn't really introduce ourselves that much. We did like the Hausa culture, but we didn't really engage in like our personalities or something like that. So we're gonna like ask each other questions.
Yeah, so we're going to ask each other questions about each other. So I'm gonna ask her a question and say, do you know this about me? I actually saw Kylie Jenner do this with her boyfriend, but that's the side. We're not. I mean, I don't. You know, you sometimes see things and you kind of want to get an idea, but you know, she's my sister or whatever. But yeah, so zan tambaye ta wasu abubuwan, ita ma za ta tambaye ni, sai mu ga ko mun san abubuwan akan juna. So kuma in kamar yanzu na tambaye ta abu bata san ansa din ba, sai ni in ba da amsa din. Gani? Why zai fara?
Pizza ki fara.
Okay. Alright. Ni fa tambayoyin ba su da wani yawa, ban sani ba ko kin hada na iki da yawa. Guda nawa muka ce za mu yi?
Guda nawa kika yi? No, that's
Okay. So, first question. How many schools have I been to before college?
Okay, wait. You went to. Did you go to Mama's Montessori, Rainbow, St. Louis, and some school? You went to 4?
Actually,
Oh no. Wait. Yeah, it is 4.
I went to 6.
Huh? Wait.
Yes. So all the ones that you named, and then I had gone to the light,
Oh yeah.
and then I also went to this school called Tutorial Group that Right.
Because the city, Missouri.
Yeah.
Okay.
How many countries have I been to?
Oh. Okay, wait. You've been to Nigeria, you've been to Spain, you've been to Saudi, you've been to America. Yes.
United States of America.
United States of America.
You know, there's America's big.
Okay, United States of America.
Okay.
Yeah. You anywhere else?
Okay, you said Saudi Arabia.
Yeah.
I've been to the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remember when?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. I've been to the UAE.
Yeah, I said that. Oh,
I've been to Saudi Arabia, but I've been to the UAE also.
so that's 7.
Is that 6 or 7? I don't
7.
know.
Because
Okay.
oh no, wait, 6. 6.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. I need to go to more places. Okay. What's my favorite Nigerian food?
Danwake.
I do like danwake.
That's what she makes all the time. Legit, we'll come home and then she'll be like, "Oh, I'm hungry," even though there's food, and then she'll go make it, and then she'll make it for herself only. We'll be like, "Oh, where's ours?"
Wow.
And she'll make like a whole the shit in the whole like the tomatoes and the onions and the.
I like
spaghetti.
manja
Oh.
with danwake. No, I like manja. You know, like the red palm oil. I like it with
Yeah, it's
danwake.
good.
But let me tell you guys why I make danwake so much. Okay, it's not hard to make. Like
It's just like
yes, it's so easy to make. Okay, but my favorite Nigerian food is masa da mir toshe. I believe that's what it's called. You know, like the aleyahu, the kabewa. So that's spinach and pumpkin. It's really, really good. I know how to make that, but the masa I don't know how to make, even though somebody did teach me how to make it. And maybe in another video we can do a, you know, yeah, we can do a little cooking thing. Okay. Who is my favorite Kannywood actor?
Ali Nuhu.
You know what? Yes, because
That's the only one that you know.
I did grow up on like, you know, my aunties and stuff watching the movies, and sometimes I would watch them. But I mean, yeah.
Ali Nuhu.
And you know, we know like Ahlan, and then like a few other people. Like I've actually met in person, but like I don't know many of the women. Oh, I feel like it's gonna be a lot of these.
Yeah,
It's gonna be
it's
bad.
gonna be so bad.
Wait, should I pause it?
Pause
The
it.
next question is, what did I study in college?
I studied a lot of things. Like right, what you just graduated with?
Yeah.
Oh, global studies.
Oh, okay. Good. I thought you didn't know that.
Or the political science.
No, it was global studies, but it had a lot
Security.
of political. Yes,
Global?
on the security
Yeah.
track. Yep. Oh, good job. Okay, what was my favorite concert that I've been
Usher.
to? Yes, I've been to Usher, but what was my favorite?
Like, the one that you went to Summerfest.
Yeah.
Did you go to Summerfest? Like,
I'm not talking about this year.
oh. Why are you saying it like I know it? Like,
Yes.
because I went too?
Yes.
I was there?
How
went to
did
a
you not
concert?
remember?
I went to a
Alessia
concert.
Cara.
You like that?
I liked it because you guys were there and it was so fun.
Oh, okay.
Oh my goodness.
I completely like forgot about that.
I'm so hurt right now. I can't believe she didn't remember. Okay. That was actually all of my
Aw.
questions. You're so rude. And yeah, you can. So interesting. Yeah.
All right, so these are my questions. First one is, what is my zodiac sign? And do you believe it?
Oh, okay, you're a Leo. And you know what's crazy? I usually don't remember people's zodiac signs, but I always remember yours and Khalifa's. You guys are Leos. Like for some reason I never forget your guys'. And I know mine. So the only ones that I know is like yours and then my own. But I don't
I like seeing people's personalities and seeing if they actually match up to it. Where was I born?
You were born in Kano.
You remember the hospital?
Yeah, Upper Stone. I was 5 when you were born.
What is my favorite drink? Soda.
What?
It's actually a soda.
Coke? Sprite? 7-Up? Mountain Dew? Those are all Dr. Pepper?
Yep.
Oh, really? Why? It's so sweet.
I love it.
Okay.
What was my favorite subject in high school?
Math. Nerd.
What was my least favorite subject?
Was it English? Or, I don't know.
I didn't have one. Huh? Just kidding.
Okay.
No, I think it was English. I didn't like English. I think I would
Yeah,
skip the
you would
English.
complain about
Yeah,
it.
I would always complain. Okay. Next one is, do I like scary movies or funny movies?
I think you like funny movies. Who likes scary movies?
I think I used to. I went through this phase where I used to. And what do I want to be?
So, at a point, I think you said you wanted to be a doctor. I don't know if that's still your plan.
I am actually studying to be a biomedical engineer.
Oh, I didn't know you changed your major.
I changed it.
Okay. Okay.
I
Look
took
at her, math nerd, yo.
Let's see. What are my talents?
You're very good at editing our videos. I don't know if that's a talent, but I don't know how to do that. You can dance. What else can you do? I don't know if you can sing. I don't think I've heard you sing. Yeah.
Just pay attention. Okay, that's kind of.
About 7.
No, that's it. Oh, what is one thing that upsets you?
You're very chill. Yeah, I feel like you're like the peacemaker in our family because you're the middle child, so you kind of have to deal with us. But I don't know. I think you kind of hide your whatever it is if you're upset. Like, I don't know. You can't really tell. What is
That's
it?
true.
You tell us then so that we know? Or are you gonna keep it a secret?
Well, actually, you're kind of right. Like, I tend to not make, like, when something upsets me, I tend to not think about it. I just think of the positive, so I never really get upset. Maybe like when you guys accuse me of something that I never did. Oh my god. Ooh, and then I can't, like, this
Took my
time.
stuff. That's not you. That's Sakina and Mariam. Mariam's holding the camera, by the way, people. Alright. Okay, we're good for the first thing.
Thank you all for watching this video. She wanted to do the exit, so I'm letting her.
Yes. Mun gode da kuka zo kallon channel ɗinmu. Also zan yi faɗa da Turanci in kuna so ku gaya mana in kuna so mu ringa yin Hausa sai a yi translation. Dan za mu iya yin haka ko kuma irin mu rubuta subtitle ɗin. In muka yi Hausa, kin gane maybe mu rubuta ko kuma Turanci. Mun dai san like maybe of course a lot of users speak in Turanci already, but Hausa muna da wasu users in da suke kallon mu ba su iya Hausa ba. So yeah, we have a lot of users that don't speak Hausa, but they speak English. But most of our viewers do speak English, and some don't speak Hausa. So you know, we kind of want to be, I guess, what's the word I'm looking for?
Versatile.
Is that the word?
Yeah, it's like you're flexible.
Versatile. That's a big word. I was thinking more like
trying to say. We want to be accommodate.
Yes.
Accommodate. Yes.
We want to accommodate
Yes.
our users and our watchers? Or viewers. Kin gani daga yanzu Hausa kawai sun ringa yi. So da na gani turancin nawa yana ɗan fita. Alright. Peace.